Yeah.
Hello, teacher. My name is Paulo Ruiz. I am talking about color in nature. The full spectrum of color is a naturally occurring phenomenon, as any color in all its shades and hues can be found in our natural environment. The coloration in animals can be categorized depending upon the function it serves the organism. Camouflage or cryptic coloration enables an animal to become nearly invisible in its surrounding environment. The colors and patterns of bears have evolved in unison with behavior and is used for both concealment and signaling. Males are more breathing colored than females in order to have a higher visual contrast to their surrounding environment. Unlike human visions, butterflies identify themselves by their ultraviolet markings. Ultraviolet colors are incandescent and appear to flicker in light displays an important role in both butterfly behavior and communications. Um, Rainbows are visible to us because of light that is reflected into our eyes by falling raindrops when light passes through streams or drops of water at an angle. In the real flora, there are three plant color pigments. These include the green of chlorophyll found in leaves and stems, the yellows to reddish orange of carotenoids found in carrots, and the reds and blues of beets, red, rose, and blue flowers. Conclusions: all colors play a key role to ensure the survival that particular organisms. Without those characters pigments, evolutions would have phased out unsuccessful colors and chosen the more successful one. Thank you.